The first thing that I'm gonna start out with, and I did already, was prep my skin with the Neutrogena toner. This is the oil-free acne stress control toner, and back to school has me stressed the hell out. So this is a salicylic acid acne treatment. I love this because it works so well at like purifying your pores, getting rid of any texture on your skin, clearing out those clogged pores. So I love this, and I think this is perfect for back to school. Anybody suffering from those types of issues, you can definitely benefit from using this. So then I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with my Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum, as well as the Derma E Moisturizer. I love the serum because I feel like it really does help my skin get brighter. If you guys are not using a 4-step routine as yet, you absolutely should. It's so necessary. Like, I have a video all about why you need a routine in your life. If you want to check that out on my skincare playlist on my channel, you guys will be able to see. I will link it down below as well for you guys. So I'm just going in with a moisturizer. The Derma E products you can find all at Ulta. If you go actually to Ulta, you can buy every single thing that I'm going to be using. I'm gonna try my best to use drugstore products. Drugstore including Ulta and like Walmart, Target, stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the CoverGirl Skin Smoothing Primer. I think influencers sent this to me. I'm just putting that all over this area because this is where I need the most priming. And then right up here. So now if I'm going the drugstore route with foundations, these are my top 2 favorite drugstore foundations. I live for the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I find that it has my face amazing. I am not extremely oily, but if I was, I would definitely use the Pro Matte foundation. But the Pro Glow is like literally my bae. This actually is what I have in my kit for like older clients or dry clients. This works so well. Whether you're going back to school or not, you may not want to use drugstore products and you may want to use something a little bit more higher end. I love the Born This Way concealer as a foundation. Like I said, I don't wear heavy makeup. I don't really wear a full entire like face of makeup usually, only if I'm filming a video or if I'm going to an event. So for me, this is perfect because I can put this in the areas that I really need it to be in, and then just kind of blend it out. And it's such full coverage, it really spreads out throughout your face. So this is definitely one that I love. If you are a little bit more oily, you can definitely check out the Fenty Beauty. I like this one as well. This one works so well. You know, this is the age of like, it doesn't matter how much the foundation is, you just want to get it. So that's why I'm gonna give you the high-end options as well as the low-end options. And then I actually did just get a sample of the Makeup Forever Velvet Matte Skin, which is actually what I'm gonna use today, just because I know today's gonna be like real humid. So I want to try it out and see how it is and how it has my face. So I'm gonna just use this. In this, I am the shade Y445, and I think I got the right shade. So I'm actually gonna go into the Born This Way concealer. This one is in Warm Sand, and I'm just gonna get that right along my eyes, just like so. And then I'm gonna just blend that out. I'm actually gonna let that sit for a bit. And today, I think I'm gonna fill in my brows. This brow pencil is from Iris Beauty. I do have a coupon code. I will be leaving it down in the description. I don't get anything from you using that code. You just get a discount. So, lightly fill this in. You can use a drugstore one if you prefer, but this is literally under 10 bucks, so it's a drugstore price. You just buy it online. I'm gonna go ahead and set, and I love setting my under eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Soft Glam palette. I feel like the Soft Glam palette is definitely a staple in anyone's collection. No matter how many neutral shades you have, you can literally never have enough. And these colors are perfect for back to school, for date night, for Valentine's Day, for fall. I would absolutely recommend getting it. I'm gonna go into the color Burnt Orange. And I'm just lightly going to apply this all over my lid. And it is a back to school look, so I'm gonna go very light because you don't want to be like going too crazy when you're at school, and then I'm sure you're just not gonna have the time or the energy to like do like a crazy full face. I think the most important thing for back to school is just taking care of your skin and having everything in order, and then your eyes kind of come like second, at least for me. But I know things are different now because everybody's into makeup, so who knows, people go in with a full face. I haven't been in high school in like over 10 years. Which is so depressing. Oh my god, I'm like depressed. I'm gonna go into Sienna, and I'm just going to lightly put this right over here in this crease area, lightly building it up, and then blending in, focusing all of the color mainly towards here. I'm going into Cypress Umber and just putting that right towards the end. Alright, so then now, very lightly, because like again we're going back to school, I might just do a little bit of glistening right on the lid, just because, you know, you want a little something. Just like so. And then I'm going to go in a little bit with Cypress Umber right at the back. Sephora Secret Boudoir is my favorite, and it is definitely one of those game changer products. So I love this. It's just a jumbo eyeshadow pencil. It lasts such a long time in your waterline. I have the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. I feel like the Maybelline Total Temptations has a lot of product on the brush as it is, so I like to just kind of wipe it off and then go into my lashes. Because I'm going out today, I am going to be wearing false lashes. So these lashes, I will go ahead and post a picture of them. But they are from the brand Miss. I got this at a beauty supply store. It was $3.99. So I'm gonna let those dry. And for blush, I'm actually gonna go in with this blush right here. This is a Wet n Wild blush. This is called the Cheek and Lip Tint, and this one is Flirt on the Street. And I'm just gonna grab that on my blush brush, ever so lightly, and just tap that right onto my cheek. Like that. It will give you a really beautiful glowing look. Because it is a cream, it settles nicely onto the skin. And then for bronzer, I really love, and I think it's a really good investment. It's not even that expensive. I think it's like $25, but the Morphe 8H palette is amazing. I love the 4 highlighter shades, and I love the 4 bronzer shades. I think they're amazing. They're gorgeous. So this is definitely one, if you want to pick something up for back to school, this is definitely going to be like your all-in-one kind of palette. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in and up. Just like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead in with the same palette and grab this color Mirage. I love this color, as well as a little bit of Beam. I do Mirage first and then do Beam like right in the center of it. You can also do Venus. Actually, let me try Venus. I've never tried Venus before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly just kind of tap this on right here. That's so pretty. Oh wow, that's pretty. I like that. Like a subtle kind of glow. Right, now we're gonna put these lashes on, which are gonna be the game changer. For my lips, I'm gonna go into one of my absolute favorite brands, which is ColourPop. I'm gonna use Echo Park Beeper is a really nice one too for back to school, for every day. It's a gorgeous nude. I just don't have it on me. But I would definitely recommend Beeper if you want a nice back to school nude. This is just a regular brown pencil, like a cheap one I got from the beauty supply store. And then I'm gonna go in with that Echo Park color and put that right on top. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the CC Glam Orange Water Spray. I believe I have a discount code for this too. I'm gonna double check. Everything will be linked down below in the description. So, this is the final look. I'm excited. I have to fix this. This is crazy, but quick loose braid, and then you can kind of pull it out to make it really nice and like full, like a full braid. Just like so. And you are finished. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. So please make sure you guys go ahead and check out my Instagram pages at Reesiibabe and at ReesiMUA, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe right here. It's free. You don't have to do anything. You subscribe. You see me all the time. I mean, what's better than that, right? Talk to you guys in another video. See you later. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. No, you're already on YouTube.